Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing the Compact UMC Stage, or XYZ Stage, on the Bruker D8 Advanced Eco XRD machine. First, initiate the XRD source and detector motor drivers to ensure easy access to the sample stage attachment bolts. This step provides the necessary clearance for the installation. Next, obtain the current configurations from the XRD machine and save them to your computer for future reference. Now, reduce the X-ray power to its lowest, base value, and turn off the X-ray generation. Then, put the XRD system in standby mode by pressing the standby button. Remove the current sample stage. At this point, you can safely remove the powder sample stage. This is the Compact UMC Stage, also known as the XYZ Stage. It features 3 motor drivers that allow precise movement of the sample stage in the X, Y, and Z directions, making it ideal for advanced sample setups. Let's now attach the Compact UMC Stage to the goniometric base and connect the corresponding motor driver cables. Once that's done, attach the spring-loaded sample stage to the Compact UMC Stage. Turn on the XRD system by pressing the power button. After several seconds, the system will stabilize. Next, connect the Bruker Diffraction software to the XRD system. Initially, the software will display the configuration for the previous powder sample stage. We now need to configure the XRD machine for the Compact UMC Stage. For this, you can use a previously saved configuration file. If you're unsure how to create or load configuration files, check out my previous videos on Bruker XRD system configurations for detailed guidance. Once the configuration is loaded, initiate all motor drivers connected to the XRD system and bring them to their 0 positions. Now, turn on the X-ray generation. With this step, the XRD system is fully configured and ready for your samples. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on advanced XRD techniques. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.